Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to register a business account on TikTok. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is head over to the settings. So click the three lines at the top right corner and then click the settings icon. Now we need to first head over to privacy because you need to make sure your account is not private. And once you've done that, go back to the previous page and head over to account. Now click switch to business account. And now just click next 4 times. Here, you're going to select one of the options, and after you've done that, hit next. Here, this is optional, so you can either enter your email or you can just skip it. And this one too. Now just click maybe later. Then click the X button at the top left corner. Then hit X again. After that, click the three lines at the top right corner to open that page up again. And now you'll see the option Business Suite. So click that. Just click Got It. Now from here, you need to click Business Registration. Then click this button and then Register. Now from here, all you need to do is fill these out, and after that, hit Next and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.